In drugs and alcohol, substance abuse can also lead to neglect and isolation within relationships. That's how drugs and alcohol impacted the people's lives. It's okay. I don't tell you to stop. But what I'm telling, never forget that you are not alone. You have people around you. They feel helpless. They don't use drugs. They don't smoke. I don't drink drugs. I don't take alcohol. No, I never, because I've seen the impact of alcohol in people's lives. Don't forget to have a wife. Don't forget to have children. Don't forget to have a job. A person's functionality is affected when a person takes drugs or drink alcohol. Remember that. Follow for more.